Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got something special for you guys today, so keep watching. YouTube, what's up? Hey, I'm doing some soldering, trying to get this fuel pump. Got to get this connection together. Let me grab this camera and show you actually what I'm doing. Okay, this is my little setup right here. So actually, what I have to do is I have to connect these two. I was going to connect them together, but what I actually might do is take this pin out and solder it straight to the actual pin. So I'll show you guys how it turns out. Okay, so connectors are done, and solder these connectors on. You can kind of see some of the solder. Ain't the best job, but what I can do, they are not coming out. So now that connector plugs right into my pump. I don't have no solder, no butt connectors on it. Well, I do have solder, but just no butt connector. Everything is plug and play. All right, next, I've got these two part numbers. That's the one. That's who I got it from. That's the other one. So I got these. Hey, don't mind the smoke. I'm getting that bad boy ready. Got some charcoal heating up. So that's what all that smoke is. All right, YouTube. I got my compression fittings. These are gonna go on here. Cut these tips off. I'm gonna have to take this rollover valve out. This is gonna be my return back into the tank. I'm gonna put a pipe on here so I can mirror this line. Zip tie it, and then I gotta. This middle one gonna be my vent. Have to drill a hole in here so that can be a legit vent, and then we'll go from there. Put some grease on here to catch all the shavings. That's gonna be my vent now, and actually I'm gonna take this rollover valve, take that out, and that's gonna be my return, which I'm gonna hook a line to this and zip tie it to this line so it can feed right next to the pump. All right, y'all chiming back in. I got my hole drill for the vent, of course. I just broke this off. The plastic's still in there, so I'm drilling it out. Drill it out. Now I gotta get the rest of it out. Hopefully I can get it out with this. It's coming. Got me some dikes. Getting that out. There we go. That was in. All right, let's get these fittings on there. These on here. No, that's the big one. This is it. All right, wrapping this fitting with some electrical tape so I don't scrape it up, which it's under the tank it's over the tank anyway, so I ain't even know why I'm worried about it. But I need to just put this on here on the return. Zip tie that bad boy, put my pump on, and I'm done. Almost there. Take me long enough. Alright, YouTube. Well, let's get this thing snapped in, and then this will be a done deal, YouTube. So what I did, just to explain everything. Anybody that want to do it like me, we got the pump on here. We had to solder the wires. Took these out of this clip and soldered it so I don't have to use butt connectors. So okay, so we got the clip in there, zip tied to the sending unit. Our return coming back, we're using the old vent tube as the return because it's bigger. So we had to take the rollover valve off, and now our return, we wanted that to feed to the bottom near the pump. So that's why I have this tube here. And that's that. The vent now is going to be this tube, the old return. So the vent is now right here. Drill a hole, so this will be at the top of the tank. So that'll be the new vent. You can put an inline rollover valve outside the tank. So I'm gonna look into doing that. And I'll just connect it to here, and then you can put a rubber hose on that and then vent it near the gas cap or wherever you like. But yeah, that's a done deal. We're ready to plug and play. Drop this in the tank. Got our two lines, 2 different lines so that you know you can't mix them up. AN6 fittings, and this center is ready to go. Yes, sir. About to get this gas tank ready. This is before. All right, gas tank is all ready. About to go up under the car. Got the vent tube, got the lines, and the harness. Ready to get that bad boy underneath the car.